Car D.
So this is the Buhl building. Oh, there's the freight elevator right there. It's also modded. Yeah, we can only go to 2. Wah wah.
Floor 2.
Floor 2. Let's see. Let's just have a look at the place while we're filming, just so y'all can see what the place is like. These are the elevators. One opens up there for some reason. Looks like these used to be hot. I've seen that lantern on a bunch of old other elevators that used to be hotting around this city, so I'm gonna guess that these were hotting too. The freight elevator's locked. We'll have a look at it though, just for shits and giggles. Looks like it used to be manual, not anymore. Big sad. All right, this also looks like it was a very recent mod. All right, back down to the lobby.
Car B.
Oh, cool, we get a different one at least. Get some variety here. Just wade through the plants there. Whoa. Oh my God, please be patient. Oh yeah, this is mid-mod, look. The mechanic's ladder is still down there. Is that open? No. I was gonna say, then we could get a free ride. These are nice though. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a nice mod, but it's always sad to see something old go. But this is a nice mod. Schindler always does well. That's the Buhl building. Oh, I guess we'll take a look at. What do you say we get in this and see where it goes, huh? This is one of the high-rise cars, but these are fully key-carded off. I walked up to the panel and it was like, please present card. Yeah, no, these aren't going anywhere. Haha, okay. Well, it's something. It's something. It's something. Anyway, that's the Autotronic panel. We have a looky-poo to our other side.